Welcome to SLD online class. In today's video I am going to explain you chapter 13, that is surface area and volume. Chapter 13, surface area and volume. So you know what are the surface area. So what are the surface area? Surface area you have seen many solid shape. The solid shape is there now. We will call that as a surface area. So in surface area we are going to learn about three things. That is, first we will learn about lateral surface area, and second is curved surface area, and third is total surface area. So what is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means flat. Only the sides, we will see thus only the sides, and it will be in a flat shape. You have seen for example, take a matchbox. When you will take that matchbox, you have there 6 faces, but we are going to take the flat, only the flat thing, the upper and the down thing is there, no? Only the two things, that is the flat surface area. And curved surface area mean the side only, but it will be the round shape. For example, when you take the cylinder it is in a curved shape. So that is our curved surface area. And total surface area mean all the sides. Total, all the sides we will find that is our total surface area. Now second is volume. What is the volume? Volume is the capacity. For example, take a water bottle, you will see how much the things it can hold. The capacity of things that it can hold, that is our volume. So first we are going to learn about cube. You have seen the cube. All the sides in a cube are equal. All the sides of the cube are equal, and cube will look like as a square. How the cube look? Cube looks like a square. It's look like this. So it's look like a square in shape. So in cube you will see L equals to B plus equals to height. In cube you will see all the sides are equal. What happened in cube? All the sides are equal in a cube. So what is the area of a square? You have learned that what is the area of the square. The area of square is equals to side into side. So we have learned that the area of the square is side into side. So now we are going to write the formula for the lateral surface area. So what is in a short form? We will call it as a LSA. In short form we will write it as a LSA. So what is the formula of lateral surface area? So the formula of lateral surface area is 4. So you can see they have a 4 side here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we will write here 4 side into side. Same way for total surface area. Total means we are going to take all the surface, all the area of the cube. So that is 6 into S into S. 6 into S into S. This was our second formula. So for example, in a question if they have given, find the area of 5 faces and the one faces is open. So this is our figure. this is our figure, the upper face. Here see, this upper face, it is open. We have to not find the upper face. So what we will write? Area of 5 faces. So we are going to write the area of 5 faces equals to 5 into side. So this is the formula we are going to use if they are given the one face is open and other face we have to find the faces of other. So we will write 5 into side. So the volume of cube is, to find the volume of cube is, so what you know volume, we know that volume means the capacity that it can hold in a box, how much it can hold, that we have to find. So the formula is to find volume is side into side. So this is the formula to find the cube. What is the lateral surface area, total surface area and the volume. So here I finished the explanation of cube. Now we are going to learn the formula to find cuboid. Now we are going to learn the formula to find out the cuboid. So we will write a cuboid. You had noted that what is the cuboid? It will be in a rectangular shape. Cuboid will be in the rectangular shape. So this is our cuboid. In cuboid we will see height. This is the height. This is the breadth and this is our length. Here in cuboid we will see the height, length and breadth. This we will call it as a height and this is our breadth and this is our length. So to find the lateral surface area, that is LSA, that is equals to 2HL plus B. This is our formula, 2L. Okay, we have the height, 2 height plus L plus B. Then the formula to find the total surface area is equals to 2 into LB plus, we multiply it. LB, length into B plus length into height plus height into breadth. Then we will get, now we will write it into the short form. We will take out the common 2LH plus, this is our formula. Now if they had told, they had given the area of open cuboid. If they will tell you to find the area of open cuboid, we will write the formula it as a area of open cuboid equals to 2H L plus B plus LH. This is our formula to find the formula to write the area of open cuboid. We will use this formula to find the area of the open cuboid. If for example they had told the open, this is our cuboid and they had told one face is open and we have to find the area of open cuboid. So we will write this formula 2H L plus B plus LH, and to find the volume of cuboid is equals to L into B into H. So this is the volume to find, that length into breadth into height. So this is the 3 formula of cuboid and this is the formula of the volume to find the cuboid. Now we are going to learn about the cylinder. So you know the cylinder. For example, you have seen the cylinder at your home. How it is curved in shape. It is curved in shape. Now we are going to learn about cylinder. So this is our cylinder. You can see upper and lower part, it is a flat in shape, and here it is in curved and here it is flat. So here the curved surface, we will get the radius and this is our height. This is our height. Okay. In the curved surface we will draw. When we draw, we will get the radius only. So the formula to find the cylinder is the lateral surface. So we will not write the lateral surface. We will write here curved surface area. Till now, in cube and cuboid, we wrote lateral surface. Why? The things were in the things were not in a curved surface. But here in the cylinder, we will find the things in the curved surface. So, CSA equals to 2 pi RH. So we will write 2 pi RH. The value of 2 pi is 22/7. So this is the formula to find the curved surface area 2 pi RH. Then to find the total surface area, formula to find total surface area is 2 pi RH. We will take that only. What we will write to find the curved surface area, same, plus 2 pi r square. We are finding the total means all the surface. So we will write plus 2 pi r square. That this is our formula. Now we will write it into the short form. See here, 2 pi r and 2 pi are common. So we will take it out. 2 pi r. In a bracket we will write here the left thing is h and here plus r is left. Here r square is there. Now we took only one r and one r is left. So here we will write 2 pi r h plus r. So this is our formula. Now open cylinder. If they had told to find the area of open cylinder area, so what we are going to write the formula? We will write the formula that one part is open. So one part is open. For that we will write the formula 2 pi RH plus pi r square. We will not mention here 2. We will mention only pi r square. So we wrote. Now we will write it in a short form. Here see the common thing is pi r. So we will remove that pi r and the left thing is 2h plus r. So this is our formula. 2 pi r 2h plus r is the formula to find the open cylinder area. Now what is the volume to find the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder. How to find the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. We will write pi r square h to find the volume of a cylinder. So now we finish the cylinder. So here we got three formula in a cylinder. One is 2 pi r h for curved surface area, and to total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. Then to open cylinder area, if they are told find the open cylinder area, we will put the formula pi r 2h plus r. And the volume, to find the volume of the cylinder, we will write the formula pi r square h. So now we are going to learn about cone. Okay, now we are going to learn about the cone. So cone, you know what is the example of the cone? The ice cream cone and the cap of the birthday cap we have seen, that are the example of the cone. So here what we will write, this is our cone, this is our radius. Here when we draw any circle, we will get here it is radius, and this is the length, and here this is the height. This is the height of the cone. And you have seen that one face is in a curved surface, in a circular. Okay, one surface of the cone will be in the circular. So here also we are going to find the area of the curved surface. See, CSA of a cone. What is the surface of the cone? To find that formula we will write pi R and L. This is the formula to find the curved surface area. To find the curved surface area, the of the cone is pi RL. Same way, how we will write for the cylinder? In the cylinder we wrote 2 pi RH, but here in a place of H we will write L, and we are not writing 2 pi RL, and total surface area equals to pi RL plus pi R square. This is the formula. We will take out the common things from this formula and we will write it into the simplest form, that is pi R L plus R. So this is the formula, pi R L plus R. You know the value of the pi. Pi means 2 pi 22 by 7. So this is the question. If in a question they have not given the L and they have told find the value of the L. So which formula we are going to put? We put the formula L equals to square root H square plus R square. If they had not given the value of L, this we will use. If they had not given the value of H, we are going to use square L square minus R square. If they had not given the value of H, we put this formula. If they are not given the value of R, we are going to put the formula L square minus H square. So this is the formula to find the value of R. So you know that it is in a triangle LRH. Radius, length and height. So now we got the formula. Now we are going to find how to find the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. To find the volume of the cone, we will write 1 by 3 pi R square H. So this is the formula. Only we are going to add in a cylinder. We are using pi R. Have seen the you have seen the sphere. The sphere will be in round in shape. For example, you can take the example of orange. The orange will be in a round and in shape, the earth, all this, and a ball. So the sphere is round in shape. In a sphere, we will get only the radius. Without radius, we can't draw the circle. So in this we will find curved surface area or total surface area. Why? Here we are going to get only one surface, that is you can call it as a curved surface or you can call it as a total surface. To find that formula we will write 4 pi R square. To find the total surface or curved surface of the sphere, formula is 4 pi R square. And to find the volume of the sphere, the formula is 4 by 3 pi R cube. We will write it 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now only one formula in the sphere and the volume, also 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now we are going to learn about the hemisphere. What? Hemisphere. For example, you can take a lemon. When you will cut that lemon, you will get it into two parts. That is our hemisphere. One part is here empty. So, the formula of the hemisphere is curved surface area. The hemisphere is also in a curved surface only. For that, the formula is 2 pi R square, and total surface area is equals to 2 pi R square plus pi R square. We will write 2 pi R square plus pi R square. So what is the for here common? We are not getting common. 2 plus 1 3 pi R square. Okay. This is the formula. Total surface area equals to 3 pi R square. And volume. What is the volume? Same way, see here in surface sphere we are writing 4 by 3. In hemisphere we will write 2 by 3. Why 2 by 3? Because the ball, when we take the ball, we will cut into the part, we will get two parts. So here only one part we are getting the hemisphere. So we will write 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the formula to find the hemisphere. So here I finished my explanation, introduction part of the introduction part of the surface area and the volume. In my next video I am going to solve the questions. So we will meet in our next video. Thank you for watching the video. Find the hemisphere. So here I finished my explanation, introduction part of the curves